This tutorial review will show you how to change pose in Roblox profile picture. So to change your Roblox profile picture pose, you have to use the Roblox mobile app because this feature isn't available in browser, in computer browser. So open your Roblox mobile app, make sure to log into your Roblox account, then tap on your profile at the bottom menu. Tap on edit profile picture, and here you will get different types of pose. So I'm going to selecting this one, and now tap on next, and here you can zoom in or zoom out your profile. You can rotate it also, and tap on next, tap on save. And this is how we can change pose in Roblox profile picture. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe tutorial reviewer. See you in the next video.